I should not have children.
Holding baby.
You are screaming your child in your ear. Wait, I said that backwards. America!
Oh my god!
Is that it?
I think so. I don't know. Oh god, it's a slime thing. Oh god. Use your baby as a shield. Is it done? Woo! More! Yeah, more! Oh yeah!
Y'all are gonna get indecent or whatever the hell it's called.
Indecent exposure.
No, what's
For
it?
exposing our voices.
And what's it?
You're the
Blah,
one
blah,
who
blah.
wanted to bring us.
Too
Yeah, you
loud.
shouldn't have brought
You
us
know
here.
how I am. That was your stupid.
Jimmy, I understand.